Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for September. This month's theme is You Got This, as a reminder to embrace every challenge with confidence. Let's see what we have inside the Glam Bag. We have the Hempz Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter, Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, Sophia and Mabelle I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer, Lottie London Metallic Eyeshadow in Golden Hour, and the Basic Beauty Lipstick in Fall For You. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Hair Mask, ClarityRX Brighten It 10% Lactic Acid Solution, Full Ritual Magnetic Balm, YC Collection Trio Brush Set in YO3, YO4, and YO5, and the Araceli Beauty Monarca Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First of all, we have some amazing smells going on this month. I absolutely love the scent of the body butter and hair mask. They're seriously so good. I'm starting on skincare and trying out the ClarityRX 10% Lactic Acid Solution. This is supposed to mildly exfoliate and improve skin tone and texture. I'm applying it with a reusable cotton pad. It's kind of tingly, but it has a lot of positive reviews, so I'm excited to see how it works out in the long run. Next, I'm using the Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I actually already have the full-size version of this, and it works pretty good. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Full Ritual Magnetic Balm. This is a lip balm that's designed to lock in moisture for soft, supple, and plump lips. This is no longer available on the Full Ritual website, which is kind of a shame because it feels super nourishing, and I like that it has a bit of a tint to it. To prime my skin, I'm using the Sophia and Mabelle I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. This is infused with hyaluronic acid, which is great, but it's pretty expensive for $16 and only 10 milliliters. It definitely feels very smoothing and blurring, and I'm not experiencing any pilling. Next, we have the YC Collection Trio Brush Set. These 3 brushes are vegan and cruelty-free. I'm using the YO5 brush to highlight. It's really nice and soft. Now I'm using the YO3 brush to apply shadow to my crease. It's nice and big, so it disperses the shadow easily. After that, I'm trying out the Lottie London Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade Golden Hour. This is a gold loose pigment that retails for just $7. I'm applying it to the inner corner of my eye. A little goes a long way. Next, I'm testing out the Araceli Beauty Monarca Mascara. This is infused with creamy avocado oil. How neat is that? It's supposed to encourage thicker, stronger, and longer lashes. Finally, I'm applying the Basic Beauty Lipstick in the shade Fall For You. It's a medium, warm-toned red shade that's perfect for fall. Here's the finished look using products from both the September Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.